Your Facebook lead form is costing you more money. Most of people, most of media buyer are set it wrong. So in the next few minutes, I will tell you the exact way to set this lead form right and get more leads. So let's go. My name is Adel. I am a digital marketing specialist. I help real estate agent and small business owner get more leads, close more deals, and earn more money. And today, in the next few minutes, I will show you how to set up a Facebook lead form right to get more leads, serious leads that will help you convert them into closed. So now let's dive in these steps, these simple steps. So let's go. Step number one, choose high intent. When you're creating a Facebook form, Facebook give you two options, more volume or high intent. Most of people go, hey, I will choose more volume. The volume give me more leads and I will have a high chance to close. Nah, when you choose more volume, you get more leads, but bad lead with no quality. You get a form filler, a time waster. But when you choose high intent, you get people that wanna buy. You're telling Facebook, hey, give me a real people, a serious people, not time waster. So next time you need to choose high intent to get more leads with quality. Step number two, add one more question. Don't ask people for their name and email or phone number only. You will get a time waster. And instead, add one more simple question like, what is your budget, man? When you are ready to buy, are you willing to move in the next 3 months? This will give you a real people. Time waster go out. Real people, serious buyer are here. So next time, you need to add one more qualifying question. And don't forget. Step number three, keep it short. Don't add more question. Hey, I want to know your name, your email, your state, your date of birth, where are you located, what is the city you want to buy. This is too much. Even if he's serious buyer, he will get bored and go away. So next time, keep it simple. Add a simple question like, what is your email, full name, what is your phone number, and add one qualified question like we said in the previous step. This is easy. You kicked out the time waster and curious people, and you have the real one, the serious buyer. Step number four, add a good thank you message. Don't leave the automatic message that Facebook added. Thank you for filling the form. Nah, just add your message. Say, hey, I will call you in the next 5 minutes. Keep your phone close. He's waiting. He know you are calling him. So you must add this message with this way to get more leads with more quality. So this is the exact system I use in every single campaign I make. So this is what gave me the 300 lead with $12 each lead. Now in the description section, you will find a free checklist. I made it free for you. You will find all my settings, all my follow-up tips and tricks. So go grab it and use it. It will help you. And subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and follow me in all of my account. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.